How to order from Alibaba. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you order any products directly from Alibaba. So let's get started. First, you'll have to download the application Alibaba from the App Store or Google Play. You can as usual open it on browser. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. After you logged in with your account, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you can get the all of the manufacturer, original suppliers or product you want to just buy or review. After that, on the top, in the source field, you can search any product you are looking for. After that, you'll be able to check the supplier details. Always look for the verified suppliers or trade assurance badge for safety. Tap on a product to see reviews, rating and company info. After that, simply tap on send inquiry or chat now. After that, you can just ask about the price, shipping or customization. You can also request a sample before bulk order. After that, once you are ready, you'll have to place your order and you'll have to just make your payment securely through Alibaba's platform. After that, you'll be able to just order any product from Alibaba. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.